event so far?
Oh, it's been really good. It's my first BBT event, and it's been awesome. Oh, I definitely come again. It's very welcoming. I think the biggest thing that I like about it is that nobody is too status kind of driven, and like everybody seems approachable, and it's an easy community to immediately come in.
How do you define our community in one word?
You know, the one word I could probably use is just inviting. Right?
Inviting, yeah.
Inviting. Like everyone's so welcoming. You know, everyone's always open to a discussion.
Oh,
Friendship.
friendship.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, true. I feel it.
Yeah.
You don't need to get, you know, very close to people, but in their eyes, in their feeling, in the sense that you get, you just feel at home.
For me, it's supportive.
It's knowledge. Knowledge.
Authenticity.
Authenticity.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. I like that.
Genuine, I would say.
Genuine, yeah.
Yes.
Growth.
Growth.
I think my word is inspiring.
Inspiring.
Family,
Family.
partnership.